Hi friends, welcome to Hot and Sweet. Today we are cooking a staple that transcends seasons, the humble curd rice. It's more than just a recipe, it's a gut-healing secret. Let's look at the ingredients. Curd, cooked rice, pomegranate, grapes, cashews, coriander, green chilies, red chilies. Start with soft-cooked white rice. Mash it while it's hot. This is the secret to that velvety texture. Add curd and mix until it's luscious. Add some salt. Pour it over some pomegranate pearls, grapes, now for the tadka, add oil to the pan. Add some jeera, green chilies, curry leaves. Hear that sizzle? Add cashews and toss until golden brown. Fold everything together gently. I like to garnish mine with fresh coriander and a handful of pomegranate seeds for a burst of juice. Serve it with a side of lemon pickle or a crispy papad. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Until then, enjoy this recipe and let me know in comments.